Hey, what's up guys? It is Thais hair. So today I am actually going to be straightening my hair. I am just missing silky bone straight hair. Being that I am 7 months post now, I just feel like wearing my hair straight. So right now I'm actually halfway through my pre-poo and I just decided to turn on the camera and chat a little bit. So I'm actually getting ready to pre-poo while I work out because I just want to kill two birds with one stone. So I figured why not put my pre-poo on now. So to pre-poo I'm actually using this little now fix my curls, and this product line is just growing on me. I think I'm falling in love with it. Like, the moisturization these products give you is insane. Like, you have to be careful because you can like easily get moisture overload from using these. So yeah. So I'm just using this to pre-poo my hair since today I will be clarifying, and I love to pre-poo my hair when I'm clarifying because clarifying, I cannot speak today, clarifying is such a hard process on the hair. It really takes out a lot of the moisture from the hair, so I like to like prep my hair with moisture before I clarify. Okay, so I am all finished and now I am off to exercise, so I will be back after I am finished clarifying, I think. Yeah. Hi guys, so I am back. My workout is finished. Ate breakfast and now it's time for me to rinse out this pre-poo, but I need to prep my hair for my conditioner. Ooh, my hair feels so good. I'm telling you guys, I really love the Novix products. Their products are so bomb. My hair always feels good after using it. Okay, so this is what I plan on clarifying with. This is the ORS Creamy Aloe Shampoo. This removes buildup. And I'm going to follow up after that with the Keratin 2-Minute Reconstructor by Apogee, just to put a little bit of protein in my hair since I will be using heat. And I want my hair to be really strong, especially my demarcation line. So yeah, I'm going to be using these two in the shower, and then I will be right back. So the front section is finished, and I also chose this Cream of Nature because it's more on the lighter side. So I don't really want to use a thick mask or conditioner that's going to weigh my hair down too much, because I want my hair to have a little bit of flowiness and lightness to it, and I also want it to last at least a week where I can actually wear it down. The type of conditioner really plays a role in when you straighten your hair, whether it comes out heavy or whether it comes out light. So lighter conditioners leave your hair with less residue, so your hair comes out lighter. Heavier conditioners and masks leave your hair with more residue, so your hair comes out a lot heavier or weighed down when you straighten it. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys that little tip. Yeah, I have a lot more new growth than I realized. This Cream of Nature conditioner smells so good. Like, I cannot wait until my shampoo run out and my leave-in so I can purchase their spray leave-in and the shampoo, because I am such a sucker for fruity scented products in general. I love anything fruity, whether it's my lotion, my hair products, my perfume. Like, it smells so good. It literally smells like Starburst, like candy. I love it. And the good thing about it, the scent actually lingers really long. Like, it'll be like a week later and I can still smell it on my hair. So my deep conditioner is all applied. Now I'm going to sit under my dryer for about 20 minutes and then blow dry and flat iron my hair. I'm hoping I'm finished before 3 o'clock. It's 1:40 right now, so let's just hope. So I am finally back. I just finished rinsing out my deep conditioner and my hair feels so soft. It feels so good. So now I'm just going to put in some leave-ins, my heat protectant, and blow dry my hair. So I'm just applying a dab of Jamaican black castor oil to my new growth only. I don't want to weigh my relaxed hair down. Since I plan on using the flat iron, I'm going to be using my Silk Elements heat protectant, the olive oil one. So I'm just going to use this all over my new growth and my relaxed ends. This one can weigh your hair down. This olive oil Silk Elements, it's very greasy, so I'm very light with it. I only do like 1 spritz per section because this stuff can get so greasy. I don't even. So I'm trying to master a technique of straightening my hair since I won't be relaxing anymore. I'm not like one of those people who are like, no heat. Like, no, I'm gonna use heat. I just like sleek hair. It's just my thing. But since I can't relax my hair, I can use heat. But I use heat very wisely. I'm not just like reckless with heat, you know, like using heat every single day on 450 degrees. Of course, you're going to experience a lot of damage and breakage if you do that, but you know, I'm very mindful of the amount of heat I use. So I'm trying to choose which flat iron should I use today. Should I use my Conair Infinity Pro or should I use this Duval Impulse flat iron? I don't know which one to use. I like using this one because it feels like really luxurious, but then this one is like super long, so it allows me to get like more sections at a time. I think I'm gonna go with this because I am not about to be here all day flat ironing my hair. The plates on this is really, really long. Yep, I'm gonna go with my Conair Infinity flat iron today. See how long the plates are? So I can get like longer sections, like that long. I'm so happy my hair is getting sleek. So I need to finish this section. It's just been so long since I've seen my hair like bone straight, you know? So I don't know, it just makes me really happy. Oh my goodness, I missed having sleek hair. It feels so good. Oh, it looks so nice. I miss sleek hair. Ah, yes. Finally, my hair is like one texture, you know what I mean? I still have a lot of my length. It's like my length is still the same, but the thickness is not there, which is expected since I am transitioning and I'm not relaxing my hair anymore. So of course the hair got thin from the stress of dealing with the two textures. So since my hair looks a bit thin in the back from not relaxing it, I'm just gonna take one piece of my Better Length clip-in. These are the same clip-ins I got a few months ago. So it's from this brand. If you're not familiar, I would just be using one of their clip-ins just to blend the back properly. I'm gonna put the clip-ins really high on the top since those clip-ins are really longer than my hair. So I want it to like fall at the same length of my hair. So to do that, I'm just gonna put it high. Like way up here.